All right, ladies and gents. So what you're going to do is you're going to open up the sheet, the Google sheet here, digital FA tracking, and you're going to create a copy of it by hitting file, make a copy. It's going to ask you to make a copy and make sure that you're creating it into your Spanish folder. As far as the name goes, you're going to put your hour. So say I'm an A hour, my last name, my first name, and then I'm going to put S1 because that's referring to Spanish 1. Okay, so I'm going to hit OK. It's going to create a new sheet for me, and that means I can exit out of the old sheet. Okay, so notice that at the bottom down here, you're going to see the blue side on the left, right? And on the right side is orange. We're not going to do the orange yet because that's for the second semester, semester 2. Right now we're focusing on semester 1, so that's what we're going to click on. So we're going to go ahead and click on PS1 here, and I'm going to put that my name is Elizabeth Young, and then my score at the beginning. So this is the first assessment that you just took. So you will have to open up Infinite Campus to see what score you got. Now, if you are missing a score, then track it or write it down and then check in with me. If you're making up an assessment this week, then you should get a new score later on this week. However, if you're not making it up, know that by the end of this week, that no grade is going to be a 0. Okay, please check in with me because I am human. I make mistakes, but I need to know that that's happening. So please chat with me. Okay. All right. So say that I checked it, and in my first assessment for the speaking assessment, right? This is a PS1. I scored a 1.0. Okay. I did not do a great job of asking questions or answering in Spanish. So that's what I got, a 1.0. So that means that now my goal, where do I want to be at the end of the semester? Well, at the end of the semester, I want to get a 3.0. So that's what I'm going to put on this one. Okay. That is my goal. Now, down here, it's asking for the assessment, right? So FA1 was the one that we took, the first formative assessment. Okay. That's number 1. And so I'm going to put, I got a 1.0 for the speaking assessment. Bam. Okay. Now, what this is going to later do is that at the end of the next unit, you're going to change this to whatever score you got and say I got a 2.0, and then it's creating this lovely handy little chart for you. So it'll help you keep track of what you need to work on. Okay. But as of right now, I got a 1.0, I'm done. Okay. So this first page, I'm done with the speaking assessment. Now I move on to the PS2, which is comprehension, and I'm filling in the same thing again. Okay. And I'm doing FA1. What did I score? And I'm going to put that in there. And then I'm going to do the same thing for PS3. Again, with name, my instructor name, my student name, the score that I started off with, where I want to be in my writing skills at the end of this semester, and then again, my score. Okay, that's all you need to do. Once you're done with that, you attach this to the assignment on Google Classroom, and you are done with your tracking for this unit. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know. I also put the links to the tutorial and what SBG is here. So if parents have any questions, you can always share that with them as well. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Hasta luego.